Welcome. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you or teach you on how to do a test order on Shopify. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, what you need to do is to open your browser, search for shopify.com, then sign in your account. Once you've done that, click on the settings section at the lower left corner of your screen. Click on payments. Now click on this choose a provider under the payment providers. Now select this for testing. Now activate this. Now once you've done that, what you need to do is to just go ahead and open a new tab and search for help.shopify.com, and then now once you've searched for help.shopify.com, click on payments and click on Shopify payments, and you should see the testing Shopify payments section right here. Now scroll down until you see this table. Okay, so now just go ahead and copy this test credit number right here. Now go to your store and select any products. Now click on buy it now. So let me just go ahead and fix that real quick. So here on my account, I still cannot do selling. So once you've clicked on buy it now, and just go ahead and go to the billing section. Now once you're in billing section, just go ahead and paste this credit number on the credit card number, and then just go ahead and simply put a random name, the expiration date, and even the password. Just go ahead and put a random name and passwords. Okay, so once you've done that, just go ahead and click on the place order, and once you've done that, you should see it here on analytics. Okay, so you should see all of your details right here. So once you are done with the testing order, you need to make sure that you've deactivated the test. Okay, so to do that, click on settings, go back here and payments. Now click on this manage right here and deactivate the testing. Okay, and that is how you do a test order on Shopify. And that's it. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you in the next one, and have a great day.